Hello po. Ako po si Lance Joseph Tecada from BSIT 3 Y1-3. So, ang topic naman ngayon is practical exam sa Python programming, which is hospital billing and admission system. First is patient information, input statements. Ito, pinapa-input lang naman natin si user ng ID, ng uh, ng ID nila, ng kanilang pangalan, yung age nila, kung yung room type, ward, semi-private, private, or ICU. Tapos days of stay, tapos number of lab tests, tapos cost of medicines, and kung need ba nila ng operation, sagutin lang nila yan yes or no. Next is vitals input statements. Kapag yung temperature niya is kailangan i-input pala nila yung temperature, yung systolic blood pressure, yung diastolic blood pressure, tsaka yung heart rate. So, input lang naman to. So, next, room rates. Gamitan natin ang use if elif. So, kapag yung room type daw is ward, ang room rate niya is 500. Kapag semi-private naman, ang room rate niya is 1,000. Kapag private naman, ang room rate niya is 2,000. Kapag ICU, ang room rate niya is 5,000. So else, ang room rate is 0. Print invalid room type entered. Next, additional charges naman tayo. Pagka yung lab fee per test niya is equals to 1,200. So, kailangan ginawa lang siyang lower para ang sagot lang is maliit na letter. Ang operation fee niya is 1,500. Tapos, 15,000 pala. Joke lang. Else operation fee is equals to 0. Next is processing and calculations. Dito naman yung kung paano calculate lahat yan. So, room bill is equals to days of stay times room rate. Ang lab bill is equals to lab test times lab fee per test. Ang subtotal is room bill plus lab bill plus medicine fee plus operation fee. Dito kapag may discount, apply natin discount. Kung yung age is greater than or equal to 60, ang discount is equals to subtotal times 0.20. Ang status niya is senior citizen, discount applied. Kapag yung subtotal is greater than or equal to ilan ba ito? 100,000 discount is equal to subtotal times 0.15. Ang discount status niya is 15% discount applied. Next is kung yung subtotal daw is greater than or equal to 50,000 discount niya is subtotal times 0.10. Ang status is 10% discount applied. So else discount is equals to 0. Ang status niya is no discount applied. So ang total bill is equals to subtotal minus discount. Next, patient health status, vitals evaluation. If yung temperature daw is greater than or equal to 38, ang temperature status niya is fever. Else, ang temperature status is the normal temperature. Next naman, if yung systolic blood pressure niya is greater than or equal to 140, or yung diastolic niya is greater than or equal to 90, ang blood pressure naman daw niya is high blood pressure. Kapag yung systolic naman niya is less than or equal to 90, or yung diastolic niya is less than or equal to 60, ang blood pressure niya daw is low blood pressure. Else, blood pressure is equals to normal blood pressure. Sa heart rate naman, kapag yung heart rate is greater than 60, ang heart rate status niya is bradycardia, which means low heart rate. Kapag yung heart rate niya is greater than 100, ang status naman ng heart rate niya is tachycardia, which is high heart rate. Else, ang status is normal heart rate. Okay.